Hi guys, thanks a lot for attending the unlimited hosting presentation. My name is Shridhar Luthria and I handle sales and marketing operations for Reseller Club. Let's actually get right down to this, because I understand that a lot of you guys have taken your valuable time out to actually attend this webinar and try to understand what we have to offer you. So let's actually jump into it straight away. Well, this is what we'll actually be covering today. I just wanted to spend some time explaining to you all what were we thinking, or the product, what was going on behind the scenes when we were developing this product. What were the ideas behind it? What was our philosophy behind it? Then obviously, I'll cover the plan in details. The common notions of unlimited and overselling. I have a few recommendations to make as well, and I'll talk a little bit about what's in the pipeline as well. So let's actually kick things off. Well, let's actually understand this plan first, right? This is what we're going to be talking about today. The unlimited hosting package, which comes at $2.49 per month. This includes unlimited disk space, unlimited data transfer, unlimited email accounts, unlimited databases. It also has free YSM credit worth $50, and like I mentioned earlier on, all this at $2.49 every month, right? So we've had a hosting product in the past that that several of our resellers have partnered with us for, but we still decided to actually go back and and check what and give the product a thought again. It's part of a normal process that any company out there would follow. You want to review all your products and services. You want to make sure that you're out there in the industry competing with the best and making sure that you can offer all your providers exactly what they need to be able to make more money, right? So what were we thinking of? Well, you, basically, in one word, because everything that we do at Reseller Club is about you. And I've mentioned this plenty of times in the past as well, that any sort of decision that we take is taken only keeping one thing in mind, and that is what's in it for you, right? What else were we thinking of giving you a solution where you could compare our domain portfolio to and other domain offers to the likes of other registrars, other reseller focused registrars, and at the same time compare our hosting to companies that focus purely on hosting. So I've heard this from several resellers in the past, and we've had tons of discussions on this. In fact, some of you guys might actually recall these discussions where I've been told that it does not make sense for a provider, for a reseller, to actually partner with one company for domains as well as hosting as well as other products. They believe that these products should be separated out. Some of you guys actually believe that. Now, I, on the other hand, believe that if you can actually get everything consolidated within one platform, then there's no real need to go out there looking for any sort of other product, right? I mean, instead of managing multiple control panels, instead of managing customers through multiple at multiple places, why not just consolidate everything and make sure that all the management is done from a single interface, provided, of course, that the products that you're getting for that are good enough, and I believe they are, right? Not just that, but another advantage of actually getting these all your products onto one single platform is that you're going to be basically increasing your volume of business. You're going to be doing more business, which means that you can actually get better discounts, you can get greater discounts, and at a much faster pace as well, right? So if you look at this, we have a slab-based model, which you're aware of, where the pricing for domain names is actually based on two parameters. It's based on the amount of business you do, or your total receipts, right, which you can see categorized under pricing slabs, and at the same time it's also based on the number of hosting packages you sell. So if you sell as many as 50 hosting packages, that comes up to once you sell 50 hosting packages, you actually get a price of 7.89 for all your GTLDs, right? So that means if you consider 50 packages, that's basically about 50 into $30, which is about $1,500. Okay, so in 1500, you don't even need to touch $2,999 in terms of business to actually receive $7.89 in pricing, right? So what else were we thinking of? We were obviously thinking of making sure that when we do, come up with a new product, or even our existing product, the price is perfect for you. When I say that the price is perfect for you, I'm not talking about a price that's competitive enough in the industry, and I don't want to look at what other hosting providers offer in terms of pricing. I want to make sure that the pricing that's offered to you is lower than that, so that you could actually add your margins and still compete with the larger hosting providers out there, right? And that's exactly what we've done today, because if you look at the package and the pricing for that package, it's literally half of what other providers out there are offering. So this was another interesting point that we decided to pay close attention to, because we realized that having multiple packages might not necessarily be the best way to go about things, and that's because customers actually have several friction points in the entire process of choosing a package that they want, because you have to actually choose exactly how much space you need, or rather your customers have to do that, choose the amount of space they want, the amount of data transfer that they believe will be enough for their package, then choose the number of email accounts they'll need. And well, all in all, we've seen that customers could actually find all this pretty confusing, because sometimes they really don't know what exactly do they need, right? So we were just trying to evaluate the friction points that existed for your customers to make a decision as well. And to sum everything up, we want to make sure that we thought of exactly how you could actually make more money with Reseller Club. And like I said, that's what it's all about. You making money is what makes me happy. And if we could think of more ways to make sure that happens, nothing like it. So just to give you an idea of the kind of money that you could make with this product, you've got a table in front of you with a suggested selling price. So let's say if you're actually selling this product for at about $5, then you're probably achieving about 150 packages per month, and this is at the lower end, because I'm sure the potential within this product is touch several more packages every single month with each and every one of you guys out there, right? So let's assume you're selling it at $5 with and about 150 packages a month. The profit calculation is in front of you. You actually stand to make about $5,400 every month only through this particular product, right? So we decided to act upon our thoughts, take everything that we were looking at back to the drawing board and see what we could come up with, right? So we realized that obviously there were other products out there, other hosting packages that were offered to resellers that might have been better in the market, right? So could we actually make sure that we came up with something that was compelling enough, strong enough to be able to not just match those packages but actually beat them? Well, I was pretty positive when we started off, and I'm happy to say that, well, we have come up with something that's pretty aggressive, right? What could you actually, or rather, what could give you the edge over the competition, right? That was another question. So we didn't just want to make sure that we gave you an absolutely strong product out there, which was pretty much a no-brainer for your customers, but we wanted to also make sure that there was something more. There was something that was sort of like the icing on the cake for you, which I can safely say is our pricing for this particular product. Of course, was the buy process easy for your customer, and could it be made easier? And like I discussed previously, there were several friction points that existed from the time your customer actually saw your packages to the time he actually made a decision, and we wanted to basically try and eliminate those issues and those obstacles, and make sure that any customer that comes to you could get converted far more easily than he could in the past, right?